Hi everybody, welcome to your weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedrin, and you guessed it, it is New Music Friday. Now Kabaka Pyramid has teamed up with the Reggae King for the Believe remix. The duo teamed up for the revised version of the Grammy-winning artist's 2021 hit single, Believe. In a heartwarming Instagram post, Kabaka shared that it is a joy to see dancehall and reggae connecting. He went on to say that reggae has been through so much but still remains on top, adding that it is an inspiration for him, and if you believe, anything is possible. The track, which was produced by Damian Marley, was released early today.
I for believe in myself. I for believe in myself. All when them a doubt me, that coulda never face I no. I know some me mother raise I self-sufficient, might as well that she name I. So me aim, my limit is the sky.
That means you no limit at all, you be versatile. No confuse confidence with hype. Me determined, me have to make it and I never lie. One up my head and show my mind.
Shakira's Walk On. Taylor Swift returns to TikTok. Now Swift's music has returned to the social media platform despite the singer's record label Universal Music and the Chinese short video app remaining at loggerheads over the artist's compensation and artificial intelligence. The return of Swift's music comes 1 week ahead of the release of her new album, The Tortured Poets Department. The Financial Times reported on Thursday Swift's return to TikTok had been in the works for some time. Universal Music published an open letter the day before the agreement expired, accusing TikTok of bullying and intimidation and complaining of how little TikTok compensates artists and songwriters. TikTok called this a false narrative and said that UMG had chosen to walk away from the powerful support of a platform with over 1 billion users that serves as a free promotional and discovery vehicle for their talent. TikTok subsequently removed thousands of songs from its platform and muted the videos that feature those songs written by any songwriter signed to the Universal Music Publishing Group, UMPG. That's it for your weekend edition of E! Prime. I'm Daedrin. Thank you for watching. Be safe.